Meaning, we are trying to make do with not having any gadgets with them while on training. We are now preaching the gospel of going back to basic. Before the athletes can do the acrobatic motions of sepak takraw, we are really pushing for kids to really pursue mastering the skill of ball control. That's pretty much for 4 hours. This would be under the supervision of a national coach to ensure that safety will be implemented during each session. So yes, of course, discipline will be there, going back to basic, ball control, some drills, and of course, some ball games experience for our athletes. That's for sepak takraw.
For karate, first thing is to have fun. That's the most important thing. Kailangan na-enjoy nila yung ginagawa nila. And then, we introduce them the basic and the fundamentals. Of course, introducing is part of, introducing the discipline, as Ma'am Karen was saying, the humility, and then respect, very important in the karate. So, again, we go back, we just have fun and enjoy. So, basically, that's it. Thank you.
Good morning. So for our sports clinic for both bowling and ice skating, it will teach you the fundamentals of the sport. So for bowling, it's like, how to hold the ball, how to throw, how to approach. And for ice skating, it's how to learn how to fall, how to stand up, how to glide. And as Mr. Ricky Lim said, I would have to agree with that we introduce a lot of fun as well for the kids. So we understand, and also we think that kids learn best when they're having fun. So as much as they learn the fundamentals which can start their sporting career, we also think na they should have good memories as well of the sport that they're partaking into. So we're very happy to welcome everyone in our bowling centers and even our skating centers, which we think is the coolest place in town. Sa init ng, diba, sa init ng summer, we welcome you to SM Skating, and where the temperatures are much cooler. If you fall, you can lie down on the ice, diba? Like, hindi mo lang yung lamig. So we invite everyone to try our ice sports.
Ayun, thank you again. For to acknowledge ko lang yung nandito pala yung aming MVP nung NCAA soft tennis, si Shireen Salazar ng San Beda University. Ayan. Tapos, I guess with all sports, also in tennis, kasi when yung kinalakihan ko po, very technical ang tennis when it was introduced. During this time talagang fun talaga siya, kaya pati yung equipment, it's colorful, it's kid friendly. So talagang alam naman natin yung mga, especially yung mga bata po sa age na ito, maiksi ang attention span. So kailangan engage sila lagi as much as possible. Kumbaga sabi namin 50% play, 50% yung within tennis. Ganun namin siya i-introduce. And once masaya pala siya, then expect na babalik po siya yung estudyante. Looking forward sa next session, which is yun yung gusto natin. Ito talaga sila. Then para less time din sa screen time, which is yung kalaban I guess ng lahat ng sports, ang dilemma ng mga sports, hindi lang tennis. So yun, I guess that's it. Thank you.
In basketball, it's medyo malawak yung fundamentals ng sport. So we have a ladderized program. If you're enrolled in basic or level 1, you'll be learning the basic fundamentals into how to hold the ball, how to pass, how to dribble. Hindi ka agad shoot. So tuturuan po muna also the locomotor skills. So makikita mo doon at an early age, hindi talaga marunong tumakbo yung mga bata because of the gadgets. So doon natututo sila, and at the same time, balance and agility. If you progress, you have a level 2 which is shooting. So at an early age, pag natuto ka ng basic fundamentals of proper holding and shooting form, then are already forming a good habits as you go on. Kasi pag nag-try out ka, kunyari into another school at nakita nila na maganda yung form mo, higher percentage you're gonna be get by the coach. And also, next level will be in defense. So the defense naman is a lot of footworks, a lot of talagang attitude mo towards basketball. Kasi ang basketball, medyo gusto nila shooting lang pero dito, pag sa defense, yung proper attitude na talagang perseverance, grit, andun na yung mga movements na gagawin natin. So it's really a ladderized program. So when you enroll in basketball, it's not just pupunta ka lang doon. No, you're gonna have fun, pero the basic fundamentals in teaching them so that they will have proper habits as they grow up. And then at the end, there will always be games. So doon mo makikita kung nag-improve na sila. Dati hindi sila makasalo ng bola. Then eventually, nakaka-dribble na sila na mas matagal. Then eventually yun, they will be having friendships with their co-teammates.
Of course, to learn the basics of Taekwondo and to graduate sa white belt going to the next level, which is the yellow belt. So that is our beginners program during summer clinic. And for those who are already taking Taekwondo, they will have more time to practice their skills. No? So enhancement po yan ng skills nila and focus training on whatever they want to develop some more. But more than the technical and the skills training, we always teach the children the other things. No? Aside from actually disconnecting them to the gadgets and to the screen time, we teach them how to obey, how to follow, how to persevere, no? And then start learning things during summer. So making the most out of their summer break para maging sulit naman yung summer vacation nila. So yun po, aside from developing and teaching them physically, we also want to make sure that the children taking Taekwondo during summer maging mentally skilled sila, matutunan nila psychologically and then also spiritually. So thank you for inviting everybody to try Taekwondo this summer. Thank you.
For pole vaulting po, I'll walk you through with the 5 days po ng clinic. With the first 4 days po, you'll be teach to the basics of how to hold the pole, how to carry, how to walk, how to run, how to grass vault, and how to land on sandpit. And yes, may actual pole po sila. And the poles would be depending the height of the kid. So kung mababa siya, maliit lang yung pole na gagamitin niya. Pagkabata siya, meron pong stick lang para sa kanya. Pag mas malaki siya, may mas mahaba din para sa kanya. And that is for the 4 day na matututunan niya yung tumawid ng pole, tumawid with the guide of the coaches, which are our national team coaches. Itatawid siya kung paano with the help of the table. And then there would be a culminating day on the 5th day where they themselves will be having fun with themselves. And at the end of it, one thing lang po laging sinasabi ng bata. Pag tinanong namin, did you enjoy? Yes. Ang sagot niya, yes, because I'm flying.